All right, the day that they stormed the Capitol building is the same day I'm getting my office. So, starting this video out right here, right now. The U.S. is a crazy place, man. Hey, what's up? It's Eric from Green Owl Motors. So I'm bringing you a really cool video today. I'm actually moving into my spot. I found a spot. It's move-in ready. I signed the application. It's freaking happening. And I can't believe it. Number one, excuse the mess. I'm in my personal garage, and you guys already know I bring this footage just raw. As I'm doing things, I'm in here splicing up videos. I'm letting you guys see day in the life stuff all the time. There's no one better to follow. Am I gonna be successful? Maybe. Will I fail? I don't know. We'll find out, right? And we're gonna figure it out together because I'm just putting out content as I see fit and as I'm going through things. So if you guys are in the ever wanted to be a car dealer, make sure you guys follow me, subscribe. Is it something that interests you? Are you passionate about cars? Is this what you want to do? I'll tell you one thing, I never thought I'd be a used car dealer in a million years, but you know what? I knew I was passionate about cars. I didn't want to be a mechanic. I didn't want to detail cars. I didn't want to paint cars. I didn't want to do auto body. I didn't even want to sell cars. But you know what? I love cars. I love driving them. And why not sell them? I've been a salesperson my entire life. I have my marketing degree, so let's utilize all these things, put it together, and make something happen. So I'm very excited. My new location is going to be in Santa Fe Springs. I'll show you the spot and why I'm so excited about the spot and how it all worked out for me. I've been a little stressed lately. Let's just call it finances and things like that. I've been waiting for some cash to flow in, and it's been like on the pause, and I'll tell you guys a little more about that later on in a different video. Right now it's not important. The important part is my buddies driving down right now in the van. I have my furniture ready, I have my coffee table ready, I have my desk ready. I'm ready to take in my computers, my wireless printers, install the software on everything, just moving forward. Again, make sure you guys subscribe. If this is stuff that you like or you've ever thought about doing it, there's no one better to follow. There really isn't. There's no one doing it like me right now at present time during COVID. And just to put things into perspective, today they stormed Capitol Hill. Freaking, this is what's happening right now. This is what's happening in this day and age. COVID, the pandemic, the storming of Capitol Hill, Biden coming in, the Federal Reserve printing a bunch of cash, Bitcoin going up to $36,000, all this stuff. And I'm in tune with the economy, what's going on, the cars. I love it all. Like, this shit is crazy. This is what I do. So make sure you guys subscribe. I will be producing content like crazy. And guess what? At the end, I will either be successful or I'll fail. But guess what? Anytime you fail, you learn from every single mistake and you come back 10 times stronger. You don't make those same mistakes twice. And if you do, then you weren't paying attention to your money and you didn't know how to continue forward and you didn't know how to expand. Right? So tune into all this stuff, subscribe. It helps me more than you can imagine. It helps me more than you giving me $5. Just hit that subscription, hit the little like bell, and I might even have merch and gear. I might even have it below right now. Who knows? But tune in. We're waiting for my boy to get here. He should be here very shortly. And again, excuse the mess. I'm in my personal garage right now. I make content as I can, when I can, and I produce it and I release it to you guys because I know people are out there in the same situation as I was and they want to figure out how to move forward in something they're passionate about. So tune on in, keep this channel going, help me out, share the video to everyone, anybody, it doesn't matter. But this is all what's happening this day and age, and if I can get through this, I know you can in the future, absolutely. So get your mind right, get your money straight, really hone in on your skills and what you can do, whether you can do the repairs yourself or if you have the purchasing power, figure things out. There's people in the industry that are willing to help you out one way or another, whether the mechanics or other dealers or word of mouth, or you know what? I didn't have anybody. I have a couple of mechanics that absolutely, bless their souls, they're great guys. But I did a ton of reading to get here. That's all. That's it. Reading all day, every day is what's got me here. So let's go. Let's move on forward and see how everything turns out. Just waiting for my buddy. He should be here any minute. All right. Oh shoot! Ah! Don't forget the duffel bag.
Donation. And not just cars, trucks.
Hey, well, you guys need to follow Bittersweet now on Instagram. He's got a clothing brand. It's really hip. It's really cool. So check that out when you got some time. But we're on the way. We're gonna go get the unit. Everything's signed for. We're moving ready. All right, so this gas station, me and Andres has been coming to for like a long time, right? We never look at gas prices, like ever. We just roll in, we pump gas, right? And then I told him one day, I'm like, bro, check out these gas prices. All right, gas is only like $3.60. I don't care where you go around here. This place is $4.99, and it's been like that for years, dude. So we don't buy gas. We don't even want to support them, but we need some water right now. It's the only gas station on the way. So that's what we're doing. But, a la vez. All right, guys, we're going to the leasing office right now. Turn this bad boy in, grab my keys, and we're doing it. Well, I'm locked in for a year, guys, so you know you got to make it once you're signing stuff like that. 12-month lease, that's pretty much the way things run. If you don't know, some places are 3 years. That's not what I'm trying to do, so I'm glad I was able to get the 1-year lease and to move forward and see how everything goes. Now it's time to go to the unit. Say word. Got my paint cans. All right, guys, so this is officially the unit. Those are the couches. That's the paint to spray the spot. So this is pretty much the front where you'll be coming in, and then in the back, you got a swinging door right here. And that's where my back office will be. So this is all just the beginning. Very excited. This is the spot no one really knows. So this is where I'm gonna be working out of. You know, it's great. Couldn't be happier for myself.